Alright, today I'm going to be trying to make a game in 5 minutes. This is going to be my first episode of Games Done Quick. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1. Alright, my general plan here is to make a FPS game aim assister. So let's start by making a costume that's going to be a bullseye. I think this character is just going to need one costume, and it's going to be... Let's make it orange to have maximum contrast. I want to maximize contrast with my background. And speaking of my background, maybe I will start by having my background be black. Let me finish making this bullseye sprite. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be at least attempt to be close. And let me just select this whole thing. Actually, let me center this orange circle. And let's just copy that, paste it in. Alright, so that's going to be my bullseye sprite. I'll add one more orange circle in the middle, and then it'll be done. Alrighty, and now we will go to... Actually, let me make this center thing... Actually, it'll be fine. Let's make the background a solid black. Ugh. I know how to do this. I need to... Let's do it like this. Alright, we have a solid black background. Actually, the sprite doesn't look exactly how I want it. I'm going to paint this, these black spots in white. Again, I want maximum contrast on my target. Alright, cool. My target's a little too big, so I'm going to make this maybe size 40. Alrighty, that looks pretty good. Okay, so this will be my target, and let's start making the game. So I'm going to add some code to my target. So let's make it so that... Let's have a score variable. So let's make a variable score. And let's make in the background, let's make the general code to control that variable. So let's start by, so when the game starts, let's set the score to 0. And I think that's good for now. Let's go to sprites and make it so when this sprite is clicked, let's have this sprite go to a random position. And let's have the change my variable by 1. And I think we have a game. Let's add in a few more of these sprites. And let's have them start in a specific spot. So let's have it so that when the green flag is spawned, they each start in a specific location, which is going to be hard to do because I already have the code for them being clicked on. So let's kill this for a second. Actually, it's a little too late for that. Let's just randomly select them until they end up in spots where I kind of would be okay with them starting. And now let's add in when we click the flag, they start here. When we click the flag, they start here. When we click the flag, it starts here. And when we click the flag, it starts here. And the reason that it's going to that place when it starts is because I grabbed in the go to block while it was in that position. So now we have our game. So we press play, we click on them, and we don't have a timer, and the score is not going up. So go to random position, change my variable, change score by 1, change score by 1, change score by 1, change score by 1. And we should set a timer maybe. So maybe have it so that set score to 0. And then forever. Wait 20 seconds. Maybe wait 30 seconds. And then set score to 0. So to reset your score every 30 seconds. And maybe we should add a visual timer. So I will add a variable. Make a variable for timer. And I will... Instead of waiting 30 seconds, let's have it control, repeat 30. Um, repeat 30. Set my variable to 0 when this ends, but each time in this 30 seconds, we should set timer to, so after this loop ends, the timer should go to 30. When we start, the timer should be 30. And during the loop, the timer should go down. Change timer by -1. And we will add a wait block. So now every 1 second, the timer change will by 1 second. And now we have a game. Alrighty, and that is the game. So we have a FPS aim trainer. You have to click on the targets as quickly as possible in the 30 seconds to get the highest score that you could possibly get. I'm a little, my mouse pad's not set up, so I can't do a good example, but let me wait for this timer to reset. Maybe I'll add a button to manually reset the timer. And that is the game. I think I might have taken a little over 5 minutes, which was my target, was 5 minutes, but that's okay. And that is a game done quick. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.